Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves, praising the Bazaar initiative for helping new creators connect with global buyers. Highlighting the Create in India for the World initiative, he emphasized the need for creative responsibility, urging the youth to avoid anti-humanity ideas. Modi noted the global appeal of Indian content and the rapid growth of the OTT industry, stating, "Screen size may be shrinking, but the scope is infinite." The Congress today criticized the government's decision to include caste enumeration in the upcoming census, calling Prime Minister Modi the master of giving a headline without a deadline. Congress Communications in charge Jairam Ramesh raised doubts over the government's intent and urged immediate implementation. Speaking at the party's 24 Akbar Road office, he questioned why the 50% reservation cap hasn't been lifted, calling for a constitutional amendment to remove it. Jairam Ramesh said a caste census would only be meaningful if the cap is removed. After months in custody, Tariq Bora, alias Tapan Bora, and Bishal Fukan have been granted bail today by the Guwahati High Court in the last pending case related to a trading scheme at Barbarua Police Station, Dibrugarh. Justice Pratvik Jyoti Saikia issued the bail order, marking a key development in the prolonged legal battle. However, procedural delays and the unavailability of the official order copy have stalled the release from Guwahati Central Jail. The duo had been held over allegations of involvement in a financial scam involving fraudulent trading. Co-accused Sumi Bora, an actress from Assam, remains in custody as a bail plea is still pending. India's goods and services tax GST collection hit an all-time high of Rs 2.37 lakh crore in the month of April this year, rising 12.6% year-on-year, government data showed. This surpasses the previous second highest collection of Rs 2.10 lakh crore in April 2024. March 2025 saw a collection of Rs 1.96 lakh crore, up by 9.9%. Revenue from domestic transaction in April rose 10.7% to Rs 1.9 lakh crore, while collections from imports decreased 20.8% to Rs 46,913 crore. Refunds also jumped 48.3% to Rs 27,341 crore. Earlier GST revenue in February rose 9.1% to Rs 1.83 lakh crore, while January collections stood at Rs 1.96 lakh crore, a 12.3% increase from last year. The Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, today presented the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award to star Indian men's badminton duo Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty in New Delhi. The pair was conferred the award last year but missed the ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan due to the Malaysia Open Super 1000. A planned February presentation was also postponed following Satvik's father passing away. Mandavia praised their dedication and achievement, posting on social media account X, "This award is a testament to their dedication and exceptional performance."